YouTube channel. My name is Spirity Grace. How you guys doing? I want to use this great opportunity to appreciate each and every one of you that subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if today is your first time seeing my video, please don't just pass by. Press the subscribe button, it's free. And also press the notification bell in case anytime I upload a new video. Okay guys, today we are cutting overlap bracelet with build up collar. So I will show you the style we are doing today, and you still going to see the style in the screen. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to do, please, this is my bust line, this is my waistline, while this is my hip line. Like I said, the last video that we did is the same thing that we are doing, because the difference that this one is build up collar is also overlap. So this is my hip. From my hip, I will come down by 5 inches. I will come down by 5 inches plus 2.5 inches for folding allowance. So what I'm going to do now, I'm adding to the shoulder. So this is the shoulder side. I'm adding to it because this is a build up collar. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to measure my shoulder. The shoulder I'm working divided into 2 is 8.5. So that 8.5 where is top, I will come down by 1 inches. So you know that our shoulder is not straight. I will come down by 1 inches. This is 1 inches. While the wideness of the neck that I'm working with 3.5 inch. So I'm going to connect from this 1.5 inches to this 3.5 inch. I hope you can see. This is how I'm placing my ruler. I'm going to connect this slide together. Let me use marker so that you can see it very well. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please this moment, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So from this place, I'm going to divide the bust. The bust I'm working with, divide it into 6, add 1.5 inches to it. After adding 1.5 inches to it, it will stop here. So this will now serve as our chest line. So I will measure what I have here, 8.5 inches, so that I will bring it to this place, the same 8.5 inch, so that will be on the right side. So I will connect this line together with this. I hope you can see. I will connect it like so. Like so. This is now the chest line. Chest line. So what I'm going to do for this bust, I'm going to cut down with 1 inches. Before we cut down with 1 inch, then we are going to divide the nipple to nipple. Please, before we divide the nipple, because let me show you the style. So this is the style we are making. You know, you can see that it's lap. So before we started drafting, I measured 5 inches. 5.5 inches. So this is the line. Let me also draw that line so that you can see what we are doing. You can see this is the 5 inches. This is the line. I'm going to connect this line down so that you can see the line very well. So from this line, we are taking the measurement. So from this line, I hope you can see what I'm doing. So this is from here, we are taking the measurement. So I'm going to cut down. Before I will cut down, I will take the nipple to nipple divided into 2. So I'm going to mark it here. Then I will also do the same thing, this place. I will mark it. So this is the bust. I will come down by 1 inch. I hope you can see. This is the 1 inch. Before then, I will divide what I have here. I will divide it into 2. So I'm going to divide it into 2. Whatever it gives me, I will mark it. Then this place will now serve as our half center. Then I will come in by 1/2 inch. I hope you can see this is our 1/2 inch. So what I'm going to do, this is our waistline. You take 0.7 here. So take 0.7, take 0.7. When you add it together, it will give you 1.5. So from here, I'm going to connect this line from here. So this 1 inch that I cut down with, I will connect it like so. You can see, I will connect it to this 1 inch. So I'm going to connect it from here to this place. You can see what I'm doing. Then I will connect it from here to this place. I already do a video for this, the same thing. So these 3 inches this is 5 inches that I add to the hip line. So I'm going to come out from here. I will come up from this place by 3 inches. I hope you can see by 3 inches. You can see what I'm doing. This is 3 inches. So I'm going to measure the same measurement. That is nipple to nipple, like so. Then I'm still going to measure it here, dividing the nipple to nipple. So I'm going to connect this line together. You can see what I'm doing. Connected this line together. Oh, sorry. I'll connect this line together, like so. So this is where the dart is going to stop. So I will connect from here, this way. Connect the dart. Sorry. This way. I hope you can see. Then I'll still connect it here. Make sure. I hope you can see. So the dart is going to stop here. So we are going to move on. It's very, very easy. Just pay attention. We are going to move on to the shoulder. So that build up collar. So we are going to move on. Like I said, what I have here is 3.5 inches for the wideness for the shoulder. So from this place, from this where this 3.5 inches stop, I'm going to rule a straight line as a slant this way. I'm going to place my ruler this way. I will place it this way. You can see what I'm doing. I will rule a straight line like slant. Please, you can see like so. I'll rule a straight line. You can see the line that I rule is slant. It's not straight. So as a normal human being, how you want the collar to be to a maximum 1.5 inches, that is 1.5 or 2 inches or 2.5 inches. So I'm going to place it the same way as a slant. You can see I'm going to measure what I'm working with. I'm working with a 2.5. It will be fine to be okay. So I will place 2.5. I hope you can see from this place. Place it as a slant. Then it will stop here. 2.5. So from this place, this is our, let's say this is our normal shoulder line. You can say I rule a line here. This is our normal shoulder line. So I'm going to measure 5 inches. Let's say for the wideness of the neck, measure 5 inches. It will stop here. Let me open the fold so that I can show you the style so that it will not be difficult for us. You can see how it look like. This overlap stop at the waist. When you look at it very well, when you look at it very well, it stop at the waist, right? So from this place, this is where the 5 inches stop. So I'm going to place my ruler like so, or you will use it as a cuff. You can see I will place it here. You can see what I'm doing. I will place it exactly this place. I will place it this way as a slant. You can see, make sure it's give you what you have. You can see this is how it look like. So from this place, I'm going to connect it to this waistline also as a slant. From here, I will connect it to this waistline also as a slant. So I'm going to place before you connect it to this place, you are going to use your nipple to nipple measurement. So your nipple, if your nipple is 7 inches, divide it to 2, then you are going to place, if it's 7 inches, divide it to 2 to give it 3.5. You will place it there before you connect it. Where the measurement of your nipple stop, you will place it there. From here, connect it. But the nipple that I'm working with is a 8.5 divided into 2. So I'm going to place it like so. So this is where the measurement stop. I hope you can see this place. So if I'm placing it, I'm going to stop exactly this place. It's very easy. So far, you know what you are doing. I'll place it this way. I hope you can see. Make sure that you check it very well. You can see what I'm doing. You can see. I hope you can see it's slanted now. So when you are done with this, you come to the full length of your cloth. You come to the full length, then you are going to come in, not this your overlap, where this your measurement start. You will come in by 2 inches, like so. This is 2 inches. I hope you can see. So from this place, you will connect it this way. You can use your curve ruler or your straight ruler this way. You will connect it. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Please, if you don't understand, please, you rewind the video. You will connect it this way. I'm just taking my time. Please, if you are doing this, you know that if you are cutting this, you know that you are a professional, like you are not a beginner. You can see how it's going to look like, because this waistline, this is where the overlap stop. Exactly the waistline. You can see this is where it stops. Sorry, this is where it stops. You can see. Let me zoom it. You can see this is where it stops. So if I'm cutting it, I'm going to cut this out. Cut this out. So we are cutting like from here down. And one thing that I'm going to explain. Please, if you are cutting this, it's not that you are cutting the two sides. The material that you are using is not folded into two, is into just one piece. So if you are cutting it, first of all, you are going to cut the straight one. You cut one straight first before you cut this. Let's assume the two sides, you will cut one side straight before you cut this, because it's one that is going to lap the other one. If you cut the two at the same time, cut the two the same, trust me, your cloth will be useless. I hope you understand. So the next thing we are going to do, just for us to add our bust measurement, the waist measurement, the hip measurement. So this is how the front is going to look like. After cutting it, you are going to cut it this way. This is build up collar. When you are cutting it, please, in case you should not forget, if you did not remember, as you are just cutting it, you just had half inches to it. In case when you are transferring it to the material, if you forget, please just do that. If you are cutting yours, just add half inches this side for the neckline. So this is the front. We add the allowance to it. So I had a 3 allowance to 3 inches for allowance. So the next I do, so this is there. I will move on to the back side. So this is the back side. Please let me explain this back side. So this place from this place, this is the bigger part. Measure what I have here. So before I will start drafting the back side, please just bear with me. So from this line, this is where the back side start from. Let me use marker so that you can see. So this is the neckline for the back. So let me just explain this neckline for the back, because it is the same thing we did to the front side, we did to the back side, just that the difference that is the lap that the front is going to lap. The same measurement that we have for the front is the same measurement we have for the back. So what I'm going to do for this neckline for the front, for the back, if you look at the neckline for the, because the reason why we are not seeing the back neckline, we are not seeing the back of this dress, we are not seeing the back, sorry, just bear with me. Let me bring the style. So this is the style. You can see you are not seeing the back. You could, if you look at it, the back is little high. So what I have here, first of all, I measure what I have here for the front neckline. I have 1.5 inches. So I have just half inches to it, making it 2 inches. So this is 2 inches stop here. So the same measurement that we add for the front side, which is 2.5 inches. So this is also the same measurement that is here. You can see this is the same 2 inches, 2.5 inches, sorry, the same 2.5 inches. You'll use my curve ruler to connect it like so. This is how I connect it. please. This is how I connect it, like so. Use my curve ruler to connect it this way. Then I also use my curve ruler to connect this side as well, to connect it together. So this will be the neck of the back. This will be the neck at the back. This is the build up collar. This will be the neck at the back. And secondly, from the chest line, this is our chest line, come down by 3 inches. Come down by 3 inches. So this is our 3 inches. This is where we take the dart, come down by 3 inches, and the down come up by 3 inches as well. So this is the waistline. So I'm going to minus half inch here. You can see I will minus half inch. This is the waistline. So from this place, I'm going to connect it like so. I will connect it from here. I will connect it to meet this place. This place, half inch. Just take it down. While from this side, let me do that so that you can see. You can see this is how it's going to look like. So this place is going to be curved at the back. This place is going to curve. Please, if you are cutting it, don't forget to add the allowance to the material. So I'm going to add, if I want to add, I'll add half inch this side, half inch to the down, then I will connect it together. Please, when we are cutting it, we already add our sewing allowance to it, but you should not forget to add allowance to it. So we are done with the cutting. We are done with the cutting. Please let me go through this front again. If you are cutting the front, make sure that first of all you cut one straight before you cut this. Don't cut this two. If you cut this two, you are going to waste your fabric. Please cut this one, you cut one straight, because this is going to lap. This is the one that is going to lap it. You can see the style. This is the one that is going to lap. You can see one is going to lap one. This one is going to lap one. And if you are cutting it, make sure you use your blade to calculate it. Which side this lap, this one that is going to lap, you will use your blade to calculate it, which side is going to be, if it's the right side or the wrong side or the left side. Okay, so we are done with it. What we are going to do, just for us to cut it out and place it. Please, if you also need a video of this on how to sew it, please drop your comments in the comment section. My name remains Purity Grace, and those of you that subscribe to my YouTube channel, God bless you. And if you are yet to subscribe, please don't just pass by. Please subscribe, comment, share my video to your friends that is fashion designer. Bye.